So I started playing football when I was about 5 or 6, something along the lines of that. Got into football because of my family. We're like a full-on like football team, football nuts. Like, yeah, I played for Swans, Avonaidd, Cadwbert Boys. Then the FAW South Academy got introduced to the girls programme where we play boys on a Sunday in a boys league. I've been playing for them for about now 3 seasons, I think. Then I've been picked for Wales like internationally since I was about 12. So I played for the under-15s, under-16s, 17s, and then I've been called up recently to this senior squad with like Jess Fishlock and all them. And then I've just been called up for the senior camp, the Euro qualifiers, where we played Croatia and Kosovo. And then, yeah, you're up to date now. Well, obviously the first ever time like I ever found out, I was crying, like obviously tears of joy, like all my family were like, oh my god, do you know what I mean? But yeah, we went there, they're so welcoming, so lovely, like include you in everything. Just the standards is like how are they even doing that with the football? But yeah, it was just brilliant, like the names of like Jess Fishlock, Sophie Ingle, just it's mad. It's like, how am I here? Like it's your dream to always play for your national team, like even if it's like under-17s, let alone first team. So it was just a bit, it was like shocked, like you have to pinch yourself like when you're there. But it's just like when you've been there like for a couple of days or so, for 4 or 5 days, and you're like, oh, I am actually here. But it's just mad. I really love the new manager, Rhiannon Wilkinson. She's brilliant. She's like, if you have a problem, you can go to her, no judgment. And she really like helped me and the young ones to be like, just be ourselves, because she was just like, she was saying to, in a meeting, she was just like, oh, there's no one here that like shouldn't be here, like even though you've got Jess Fishlock with 150 caps, or the newbies with like no caps, like you're all the same. And she was like, you all deserve to be here, and she was just really including us in everything she did. Yeah, she was just brilliant, really nice. You know, Sally Ann, one of the big dogs, like, yeah, she's really supportive and she's like really kind with it all, because like, but no, they have been really supportive, because she's like, yep, that's fine, go on, you do what you want to do, like, so yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I feel like I'm missing on a lot of work, but like it's really easy to catch up on it, because obviously they do send me work and stuff, but sometimes I don't have that time on camp. Like we have education slots, but sometimes you can't get everything done in one session, and like we have it every day, but it's like, because there's so much work, I don't really get it all done. But when I come back here, it's easy, like just get it all done, because sometimes they give me extra sessions, sometimes we do like one-to-ones, and we have like monthly catch-ups, and they're like, oh, do you need any help with work? And if I'm all caught up, I'll be like, no, I'm okay. But like if I need to do something, they'll be like, right, go to this room at lunchtime or on your break or whatever, and then I do all my stuff there. Well, obviously, when I have an email for camp, I actually go to them straight away and I was like, oh, like I've got camp this date and that date till whatever. And they're like, right, brilliant, we'll like send you work or whatever. And obviously on Teams, we get notifications saying, oh, this is the work you have to do and stuff. So yeah, they are really good with it.